So welcome back, everybody. Tonight is going to be a really easy, quick meal that I'm just doing from my freezer. I am going to be using my new Ninja Grill and my Ninja Foodi. So it's just going to be a simple grilled steak and grilled corn. And then I'm going to do some stir-fried veggies in the air crisper function in the Foodi, along with some little mini wontons that I have. So it's just an easy weekday dinner when I'm tired and don't want to do anything fancy. So welcome, and let's get started. Okay, so let me show you. I have the grill pan in here, and then I have the air crisper basket in the Foodi, and I'm going to go ahead and turn both of these on to preheat. So we just need to close this down. We're going to use the grill function, and we're going to use max. So start that, and for the Foodi, put the air crisper down, put it on air crisp, and we're going to put it to 350 and start. Alright, so I've let my steak come to room temperature, and I just have it seasoned here with salt, pepper, some onion, and garlic powder. So very simple. And I'm going to go ahead and get my avocado spray, and I'm going to spritz my little wontons here and my corn, and that'll just help it brown better. And I'm out. I need to get more. And I'm going to go ahead and season these. This is just salt and pepper. Very, very simple. So I am going to be using a probe thermometer on the meat, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that. And you just want it to go right in the middle. So it goes right to here. And I like my steak to medium rare, so I'm going to set it to 125. Remember, your steak will continue to cook once you take it off of the grill. So that's why we don't set it. Medium rare is really around 135, 140, but it'll keep cooking, and that internal temperature will reach that medium rare temperature after it's taken off the grill. So the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a little dipping sauce for my wonton and my vegetables. And so I'm just going to do a little bit of, this is organic tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. And then I'll do just a little bit of sesame oil, little splash, and a little splash of rice wine vinegar. I'm also going to go ahead and add some green onion to this. It'll just give it a little bit more flavor. Alright, so this has gone ahead and preheated. So we're going to put our wontons in here. Sorry, dumplings. And these were frozen, but I just let them sit out on the counter to thaw a little bit. That way they'll get a little bit more brown. And these stir-fry veggies. And that's just a mixture of broccolini, mushrooms, onions, carrots, green beans, and sugar snap peas. I buy them fresh and chop them up how I like, steam them, and freeze them. And I use that for fried rice and things like this. So we'll just let that go and give it a stir in just a minute. Okay, so our grill is now preheated. So we'll open this up and add the corn right here for that good sizzle. And then we'll add the steak right over here. Close this down, and we'll give it a flip in just a couple of minutes. All right, so we're just gonna give these a quick stir. Look really good. Flip these over. Okay. Let go for a little while longer. Okay, so last but not least, I'm gonna get these out here. So look, they got a little bit browned and crispy. Oh, that's delicious. These vegetables are amazing. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see this? Look at that. And it took about, I don't know, 8 minutes total. So I ended up adding a little pinch of red pepper flakes to this and a little tiny squeeze of honey. Little tiny squeeze of honey. So let's give that a try real quick. That's really good. Okay, so let's cut into this steak now that it's rested for a little bit and just see how it looks. Oh wow, that's perfect. You see how juicy it is? Look at that. You know you want it. Oh my gosh. So delicious. Those veggies are cooked perfect. I hope y'all enjoyed my really quick and easy freezer dinner. I'm probably going to be doing a grocery haul soon, so I'll show you what I usually buy and what I do with it when I get it home, because I usually try to process my groceries immediately. That way they're easy to use when I need them. But thanks for joining me tonight. I'll have a good time, and I'll see y'all soon.